We are live, and we just it's a happy Thanksgiving week. And last week, same time, I was sharing with you the opportunity to trade during Thanksgiving holiday. And what's the trade all about? So for those who are seeing it for the first time, and I have many new members coming through, let's just go through you the concept, the idea, how this Thanksgiving trade come about. Okay, so let me just start from the beginning. Just take me a couple of minutes. How this thing happened. Okay, now I call this the trade with the natural flow. So let me just trade with the natural flow of the market is that there's certain seasonality in the market that happen every year. Okay, I've watched this thing for the last 20 years. It happened again and again every year. And I call these things like a natural flow, like the ocean coming through to the land and the seasonality of winter, autumn, summer come again and again. So how does it relate to the stock market? With the holiday that's coming up, that's gone through, there are 9 exchange holiday during the year. And prior to the holiday, a week before the holidays, what happened is the stock prices have a tendency to go up. Stock prices go up ahead of the holidays, like a week before that. So how does it apply for this current season? So let me just go through you the steps. I've been watching for the last 20 years. So for example, like this year, 1st of January, so a week before that, so straight after Christmas, a week before that, market tendency go up. Same thing as in January, Martin Luther King, a week before that, stock prices go up. Could be a couple of days, usually end of the Monday and whatever that period that comes in. President's Day happened on Monday, so the week before that, stock prices go up. Nothing in April, nothing in March, April, Good Friday, fantastic. A week before that, stock prices go up, and after that, continue to go up as well. So it's a very strong seasonality. When you say where's the best time to actually buy stocks, and that's the time that goes in. Bring those a week before the holidays. Memorial Day was happening on 31st May, a week before that. Stock prices go up, make money, then just get out. July the 4th, also very strong, was falling on Sunday. So the whole week prior to that, stock prices go up. And one of my participants, he made 134% return on the options using this method I share. Labor Day in September, same thing on Monday, the week before that, prices go up. So nothing happened in October, then comes Thanksgiving Day. Now, Thanksgiving is a bit tricky because when I was watching this one, and I was announced last week, I checked it through the last 20 years. The opportunity to make money was going away 60%. 60%, 20% like flat, 20% didn't go away. So I was watching this thing a bit more careful. So I didn't go full blown on these things. But when I went in and I was targeting using the option like 50% in 3 days, so get it on Monday, get out by Wednesday. But as I was watching it, first 10 minutes already giving me 20% profit. And so I decided not to wait for the 50% profit. I got up in 10 minutes. Okay. So let me show you the details. So I zoom in for this particular trade. That these are trade that's happening on like 30 minutes chart, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this like 30 minutes chart, you see all these things here. So I enter, the thing is straight after the market open, I entered the trade. I set a profit target for 50%. First 10 minutes already give me 20% profit. So I got out. Okay. Had I stay a bit longer, I probably hit 80 to 100% profit. So this is my record. I can just give you all the details here. See, enter. Straight after the market open, I pay $1.40 for the call option. 10 minutes later, I was able to sell it for 170. And I was watching it, and I go in probably up to the first half an hour. That's already 80% profit. I'm okay. Okay. I make my money. I'm okay that way. So although you look at the chart over here, that it doesn't move a lot on the daily basis, right? It just go up and then it went down. And you watch closely on that day, you can make money. Okay. Like what I show now here. So huge opportunity. After that, after Thanksgiving, done, finished. Next one will be December. Santa Claus coming to town. We'll see how it goes. So far, what it means that if we go through all the last 8 rounds this year, all make money. We'll see how it goes for the one in Christmas, and I'll give you an update prior to the time I'm doing the trade. Just always give yourself at least a couple of days. If the holiday is on Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If the holiday happened to be on Tuesday, then you go a week before that. Take the whole week off to give you opportunity to get out. 1 week off and done with. Okay? No need to be so long. Okay? And so where the opportunity comes in, look at all this. It happened again and again every year. 9 exchange holiday that's happening. After this Thanksgiving Day, the next one is Christmas, then start again next year, New Year. Never ends. Okay, so I'd like to give you an update what happened to my Thanksgiving trade that I shared last week, and that's the result I got. Okay, I hope you were following through and benefit from there. If not, it's fine. Next round, we still have another trade in Christmas, December. Okay, watch out for these things. I'll see you again. Take care. Bye. Okay. Hope you have a fantastic week ahead. So after Thanksgiving now, you're back to trade again this week. Fantastic. Take care.